Welcome back, Dr. Zoda here. Now in this quick short video, I want to show you the exact math of starting an online course business and how you can get started, spoiler alert, without spending a single dollar. Let's look at the exact math. So on my screen right here is the exact chart of everything that you're going to spend when it comes to starting an online course for the first 4 weeks. Now, do keep in mind that this is actually quite a common question that I get asked a lot. There's actually no hidden fees, no hidden transactions, none of that. This is everything that you actually need. First of all, you need a computer with a microphone. You probably have this. Then you have an internet connection. If you don't have this, then you could just go to your local library, local cafe. Again, it's completely free. Then you need an online platform to host your course. And we've worked really hard to partner up with our online course platform to offer you guys a free 28-day trial for their entire platform. On top of that, you actually get access to their university, which is a series of tutorial videos that guide you on how to set up your everything from complete scratch. On top of that, you also get access to the support team 24 hours of every day. And of course, on top of that, you also get access to my support team, as well as all the plug and play templates that we give you during our program. So the website is pretty much designed for you already from us. And all you do is just plug in, play, fill in the blanks, and you're good to go. You can get your website running in just a few clicks. So a question that I might be, so after these 28 days, how much is it actually going to cost you? Well, it's going to be $149 for full transparency. And at this point, you're already making a few sales, you already have a few students, and you can simply reinvest the profits back into the engine to keep making you money. Now, you don't necessarily have to do this, and if your course fails, which I get a lot of people might be concerned about, then you can just cancel the subscription in the first month, and you could just abandon ship completely, and you wouldn't even have spent a single dollar. Now that is pretty awesome, right? Think of how many online businesses you can actually start today with such little overhead and such little complexity, and yet have such high potential of upside. This could actually scale into a 6 to 7 figure online business just by setting up an online course. There's not a lot of businesses out there, especially in these days, which has so little overhead and complexity. And that is why starting an online course is so lucrative. Now, I'm not going to pitch you, and I'm not going to try to hype this up too much, right? Let's get to the rest of the math. Now, what else is actually recommended? Well, you might want to have something to record your video. This is completely optional because I get that some people prefer to be faceless, they prefer to be anonymous. That being said, we do recommend that if you express yourself more comfortably or more confidently through video or through face-to-face interaction, then you might want something to record your video. If you have a webcam, if you have a laptop like a MacBook, you probably have a webcam anyway. And if not, you could use your smartphone, which has a camera. And if you don't have that, then of course, you can use a professional camera, which you might have lying around the house. You probably have this. Software to build your presentation. I personally use Google Slides, which is completely free. Microsoft PowerPoint and Keynote, those tend to come with your laptop. And if not, then you probably have a subscription to Microsoft Office anyway. So you probably have this already. So finally, where are you going to spend an expensive $10 on when it comes to starting an online course? Well, this is completely optional, but it's highly recommended. You can buy a website domain name, and we're going to show you step by step how to actually get yourdomain.com. So if your name is Bob Jones, you can get bobjones.com. If your online course is on helping middle-aged women lose weight, then it could be like weightlossprogram.com. So it seems a lot more professional. It looks a lot more clean and approachable, and it only costs you $10. And that's it. Seriously, we teach you how to set up everything using free software, free equipment, and only once you're generating consistent profits, only then you can start feeding it back into the business, and $1 becomes $7, $7 becomes $49, and so on and so forth. And you can imagine just how lucrative this can actually be. And there's not a lot of online courses, there's not a lot of online businesses out there that you can start with such little overhead and complexity. And this is one of them. Now, I sincerely hope this was helpful. And if you're interested in growing your online course business to 6 figures and beyond of passive income, make sure that you take the opportunity to book a free one-on-one strategy call with us. This is a call where we sit down with you, evaluate your situation, and help you devise a strategy to move and advance your life and your medical career forward. Do keep in mind that our program isn't for everyone, and we're very selective with the clients that we actually take on. But if you do think you're a good fit, then complete the survey down below and we can schedule a call. If you're a good fit, we're going to get you in. If you're not a good fit, then okay, no worries. We can still help you with your situation. So thank you for watching this video, and we welcome you to our community here, where we're with you every step of the way to financial freedom.